So, great update. Fergie's back together. Put the engine in this morning. Just got that to do now. Put the top on. Take the wheels off. Put it on axle stands. Take the wings off. Start sanding the wheels and wings down. Get that prepped. Clean the engine up. Bit of surface rust on here, but I think that's any worry. But yeah, getting there, like. Filled in some of the pitting on the gearbox cover. Missed a bit there, but we can fill that in a bit more. Yeah, it's getting there. I'll give this a quick clean. When it's all clean, I'll prime it, put it back on, tracked it. A few bits I just need to clean up. There's a bit of rust, well, surface rust really. It's nothing to worry about. But once we get that done, should be alright then. Yeah. Got a plough here. Started to take that apart and never eventually got it back to put it back together, but slapped one of the bolts there, so I've got to fabricate one of them and then eventually put it back together. Once we do that, it should be alright. There's Dad's Fe35 I'm spraying. It wasn't the original bonnet, so I got an original bonnet off eBay. Wasn't too expensive, like just needs some filling in. It's got a few dents in. Should be alright. It's a nice Fe35 gold grey one. Nice tractor. Just got to spray the grey bits on that when we do this, so we should be alright. Take it to West Mid show in start of July. If we get it done by now, it should be done by now. But yeah, it's just a quick update on what we've been doing. Like, I know I haven't done many video updates like this, but yeah, I will do more of them now. Yeah, if you guys do want me to, like, start vlogging or do whatever, videos and everything, please do comment, and I will reply and see what I can do. But from that, I'll see you later. Bye. Right, so this has come along now. A few more bits just got to be done, but other than that, should be alright. So, you strip back. Feels that. All off now. So, she press bolts for that. Should be getting there soon. Start to sand her down now. And there's the wings. But to go do that, fuel tank. Got some I don't know if you can see. That is basically, there's meant to be a ring around there, and it's come off every time. So what I need to do is silver solder that back on. There's a seat and rad. Yeah, it's getting there now. Just a few little things. I need that, as I said last time. The swivel bit there. That snapped, I'm going to be taking it off. I've only one of these, but where I got it from is the wrong one. So we're going to take that back. Here it is. There it is. We'll take that back and that one there. We'll take that back. I'm going to go buy the parts separately then. So, yeah. I'll update you guys soon. Thanks for watching.